In today's video, let me show you how to fix Shein or Temu payment fail error. On either of these platforms, if you're getting this error message, let me show you a couple of things that you can check in order to fix this issue. The first thing that you need to do is you need to double check that your billing address exactly matches your bank records. So mostly what happens is people add in different information inside of Shein or Temu that does not matches their bank records. So what you need to do is head over to the settings option on the top right, head over to my payment option, and make sure that the card details that you've entered are correct firstly, and secondly also make sure that the billing address that you entered on one of these platforms are correct. Even if one of these sections do not match out with your bank records, you will have issue on the payment side. Now if this is not the issue with you and both of these platforms do match your bank records, then what you'll also need to do is ensure that your card allows international transactions. In some rare cases, some banks may not allow international transactions, so you need to confirm that by directly contacting your bank and check if they do allow or do not allow the international transactions. And if these are not the case with you, then what you can then try out is try to clear the app cache of the Shein or the Temu app. So just tap and hold the app of Shein or Temu, head over to the eye icon, head over to storage, and then tap on the clear cache option as well as the clear data option. This will log you out of your account, so you'll need to log in back, and once you do these steps, you should be able to fix this issue. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.